Welcome to our channel. If you want to add a checked bag on American Airlines, follow these step-by-step instructions to prepare for baggage. Step 1. Visit aa.com or open the American Airlines mobile app and log in to your account. Step 2. Navigate to My Trips or Manage Reservations and enter your confirmation number and last name to access your booking. Step 3. Select the flight for which you want to add checked baggage. Step 4. Look for the Add Bags or Baggage option within your trip details page. Step 5. Select the number of checked bags you want to add for each passenger and each flight segment. Step 6. Review the baggage fees, which vary based on your destination and elite status. Prepaying online is typically cheaper than paying at the airport. Step 7. Enter your payment information or use a saved payment method to purchase the baggage allowance. Step 8. After completing the purchase, you'll receive a confirmation email. When you check in for your flight, your prepaid baggage will automatically be included in your reservation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.